Check out the new 18-volt pruning saw from Makita. Now, this saw is super compact and light. It's just 2 kilograms with a 6 amp hour battery on board. It makes it really agile, great for getting into tight spaces, and one-hand wielding as well. Whether you're using it one-handed or two-handed, the grips are all rubberized, whether you're using it left or right-handed as well. So plenty of options there, plenty of control. Great for adapting to the situation. Features a 150mm bar, which gives you plenty of pruning capacity, and it's got that self-retracting guard across the top of the chain as well, which is great for keeping your fingers. Now that chain spins at 8 meters per second, and it's got a handy automatic self-tensioning system on that chain as well. So if you just back off the bar will automatically tension itself on the chain, and then you just tighten it again. Chain is now tensioned. Just put in a battery, you're ready to cut. Just make sure, like with all chainsaws, you've got some chain and bar oil on board. It comes with a small bottle to get you started, but it's got a nice clear window on the tank so you won't run out. And this all comes with a chain sharpening file as well, so you can re-edge that chain after prolonged use to keep it going fast and efficient. It's another great 18-volt tool on the LXT platform from Makita, and it's just in time for spring as well, so make sure you head over to sydneytools.com.au for the full details on this one, or to order it. And if you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.